Hello, welcome back to the extension build. We're going to be fitting the kitchen this time. So the kitchen's going in this area here. It's like Christmas, isn't it? We've got loads of presents to unwrap. So we've got units, we need to sort it all out. I have got a plan. One of them's a corner unit. One of them's a corner unit, it says build up, so I think I'm going to do this one. And then probably get Tim and Josh putting legs on these ones. One of them's a tower. I think that's part of it, maybe. So we don't want to put legs on because we don't know which way they stack yet. So we're just sieving through it all at the minute. See how we get on. Yeah, exactly. Kitchen sink, and then there's a dishwasher here. Salt pipes need doing, and it needs some waste putting through, so he's going to do that on Monday, so we're just doing what we can. This is fridge, look, quite nice, American, one of them American ones with ice box and water, a bit look of it. Ice and water. Quite nice, isn't it? Samsung, that. Integrated dishwasher, Bosch. That goes over there. That'll go there.
Firefighters tackled the flames at Dunwich Heath. Andy Burnham's committed £8.4 billion.
Just set laser up, look for. We're just going to drop them all 5mm, so it leaves a 5mm gap on his kickboard, and we don't have to move his kickboard. That's the guys that we saw at the Super Trial event, that sent me that laser. So they're sending me a stand. This is standing for this, it's for something else. Hopefully they'll send me a stand, we'll find out. But yeah, so we're just going to set these up. Which what's the rules am I going to use? Which mountain? What's it doing here? Oh, we just lasered them in. Josh is just sorting doors out. We haven't sorted that unit out yet. There's a ladder going there, and then this gets boxed in. These dishwashers here, you get the legs, the front legs there, and then this at the back here. So if I twist that, so you turn it this way, it starts lifting you back up. So I'll sort that out. The long panel? Yeah, big panel for down here we need now. You haven't tried it for you, Josh? Yeah. That's it. Should have a self-closer on it. What's happening? Something's not working. What's wrong with that bottom hinge? Thought it was something going off. It's got a screw there, look, wedged in. That's the problem. Is this magnetic? We got a magnet. And the finger drill it's magnetised, isn't it? Is that magnetised? On feet, you know, the impact. On the impact should be magnetised. There we go.
Always a culprit.
Wasted 5 minutes of my life there. There we go, though. There we go. Closes. Just set levels up later. Get them thingy. Yeah. Bloody screwing way. Unbelievable. Got a new blade on her. She went through like butter.
Are we
Try it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Oh, actually, we can just flip that to top carpet. The nice bit.
No, I won't. No, I
You
won't.
don't want the cut to the top here.
Yeah, because if there's any water spill, it's painting up bottom, isn't it? You know what I mean? Like that.
Yeah, we'd have to wait to put that back. That's not good, is it? Oh, no, are you joking?
The gangsters. That is another off this.
Oh. Yeah,
Going on in the kitchen.
I think it needs a bit more off. The only thing is, when we get to there, is it going to be fucking not mill off?
Try it. Can't be. Can't be far like that. No, it looks like it's going to go that. Let's just touch it. Pull it out a little bit. Pull it this way a bit. There you go. Yeah. It's just that little bit. We could take a little bit, but I think we've got to cut it because we've got what we got there. Sticking out a mile here. So that'll have to be cut. Yeah, we just have to take back out of it as well. Should I? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Right, where the ceiling's been low in here, so we just had to whip that off, and then they just get altered. So we're going to put bottom on. That's how I put that side panel in, and then we can shove this back, and then we need to work out a shelf because it's having an oven in and microwave, and then it says we might have to get rid of a shelf at bottom or whatever. So we'll have to look at that in a bit. It is somewhere. Where is it? Oh, that's it though. So it says we might have to get rid of that or that to get these in. So I'm guessing top cupboard stays thing, but we've had to cut the top. I don't know. It's probably we're gonna have to make some new holes for this, I think. But the bottom one will fit. I'm not sure. We'll have a look. Yeah, so we cut the top off, so the bottom with a bit with the legs in, joints in properly. So we're not just putting screws in that can break. So we've got the proper actual bottom on, and then top we'll just have to roll it. But I'm thinking like probably none of these will line up now, but we'll see. Oh. Oh, that was a lot better, wasn't it?
Mate, how in the world did we do that?
Spot on that. That is. Right, then just a drawer on. It's got a fillet going in top of that. Josh is just making fronts up. They sent wrong drawers out, so we've got wider drawers. Different colour this island, so Josh is just making drawers for these two here. Show you colour. This is a colour of the island. So a bit of a mixed. I think that is the same colour as that wall I've just painted. That'll go like that, and then we've got to build a shelf on there as well that goes above that, but it's going to be like, because doors thick, the shelf's going to be like there. So we've got that bit done. We're just cracking on with this here. This is the breakfast bar. Right, I've just got laser running across here onto this here lot. And then what we can do is measure from his laser line to his unit, which is 1178. Come to this end, add that on there, Tim. That end.
Well, you're just going
To draw. 1160, we need to shift that 10mm, Josh. Not a lot, 10mm. That's 5 you've got, another 5. Whoa, that's it. Yeah? Just measure this end again. $170, yeah, that's right. Then we know that's square with this. No, this right. So we've got this side panel. If I flush that to that, what's that like? And then can you see that there? That is touching this here, oh, it is, see, 5mm, so I'm going to have to cut 5mm off that back, that and that. That's just stupid, isn't it? Why? Yeah, so if you have a look at his cut side, that's flush with unit, and then, see, and that don't go back because it's 5mm too big, so I'm going to cut 5mm off of these joints and just bring them in that little bit. Right, we're just doing this side. If you've ever wondered what the holes for at the top are, it's for these to go in, so get your bracket on. It's a bit fiddly, but it's doable. And then just feed it through. Click the gun the right way. Put it in reverse. Then slowly does it through the hole into your wall. There we go. And then all I need is another one in there. There you go, she's in. So we've got this in. These are the side panels. I just ended up taking the 5mm off them. And that's gone back lovely. So they look good, and then we just fitted that in there. Yeah, and we did that as well. So we're not too far off now. We need, this is having a wine rack and stuff in, but we need the top on first. To sort that, but we could put the box on, so I think we're going to do that. But yeah, then it's handles and sort the dishwasher. Right, what I'm doing is I'm just making a template for these handles, and then all we have to do then is clamp the template on. I'll cut that bit off bottom, clamp the template on once I've drilled through them, and then we're good to go. It should set that up, and we can just use the same template for everything. And then Tim's just sorting out this thing for this back box, and I'll get Josh to put the handles on after I've drilled holes. Look at that idiot. Literally got here. Josh has had a cold. I think you're recovered though, aren't you now? He feels better. And then yesterday, Tim decided, I said, because he had a cold, I was like, Tim, go make brew. I don't want him touching my cup. So he walks out of there and literally just fell over and broke his foot. Clever that, wasn't it?
No, I was exactly say we're just falling over, wasn't it?
And did you manage to make tea? I think you did, didn't you?
Yeah, I still made a brew. Stayed at work all day then. Stayed at work all day.
And then,
Went to the hospital.
a head customer were messing about with this, doing some pull-ups on it. Customer's put his 2 fingers in hole and pulled joint out. So he's in pain and all. Oh god. But yeah, we're not too bad. Right, put handle on in. See if handle fits in here first into his jig. Yeah. So that fits. So we'll take that off and then we'll use this jig. Because I've used that piece of wood, stops back from busting out, look. So you get a nice hole at back as well. And the front. Lovely, lovely. Got Stephen Alex on the on fix.
Top it off. Yeah, you.
My Alex carries me basically. He does all the tough stuff I can't do. And we've had a couple of little easier jobs, like we do a lot of lintels, and we've done a couple of them lately. But we've just been off for 2 weeks, so we just sort of get back into it now.
Yeah, understandable.
So this is the kitchen lot. We're waiting for the worktops now, so some guys have to come out. They get the lasers out. I'll try and film it if they'll let me. So we've got all this done. So I forgot to do an outro, but yeah, this is it. This is finished up to now. We've got to wait for the worktop guys to come in. What they do is they bring the lasers, measure it all up, and then they fit it because it's a special worktop. Most jobs are these days, and they come out and fit the worktops. But yeah, we can crack on with probably some upstairs. We've got all bathrooms to tile. We've got all sorts to do. So I will catch you in the next one. So if you like this, subscribe, like, drop a comment, hype, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, guys.